In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import and edit a Google Doc in Canva. This process is super quick and should only take about 5 minutes. If you've ever wanted to enhance your Google Docs with visuals or just make them more eye-catching using Canva's creative tools, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, head over to Canva and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look at the sidebar on the left and find the Projects tab. Click on it and you'll land on a page where you can manage all your existing designs or start something brand new. At the top of the projects page, you'll see a button that says Add New. Click on that because this is how we bring new content into Canva. You'll see a few options pop up, but what we want is to import content from an external source. So click on Import from App. Canva will now show you a list of apps you can pull content from. Scroll through and click on Google Drive. A window will pop up asking you to connect your Google account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in now. This is an important step because it lets Canva access your Google Drive files safely and securely. Once you're connected, browse your Google Drive to find the document you want to import. You can scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it by name. When you found your file, click on it and then hit the upload button. The upload may take a few seconds depending on the size of your document. Now that your Google Doc is imported, click to open it. You'll see it displayed right in a Canva project window. And this is where the fun begins. Canva gives you a bunch of design tools to make your document stand out. You can add images, graphics, or extra text elements to match your content perfectly. Editing your document in Canva is easy. You can change fonts, adjust text sizes, move elements around, or even include icons and illustrations to make your content visually engaging. Whether you're creating a presentation, infographic, or something totally unique, Canva makes it simple to bring your ideas to life. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully imported and started editing a Google Doc in Canva. From here, you can continue to tweak, design, and make it your own. Remember, you can always modify it further or export it whenever you're ready. Enjoy exploring the creative freedom Canva offers and have fun designing.